and welcome. Today I'm going to be trying to recreate the Burger Dude's chopped cheese sandwich. When I saw this video, it looked so good. It's kind of like a twist on a cheeseburger, and it comes from Spanish Harlem, so I'm really excited to try it. If you're new around here, my name is Linda and this is Vegan Petite. Now let's get started. You can see we are cooking on our nice large cast iron skillet. I'll leave a link down below for you. If you don't have one of those long middle burners on your stovetop, this will fit over 2 regular size burners, so it works on any kind of stove. And this is just gonna give our chopped cheese just that really good home-cooked griddled flavor, so I'm excited to try it. I'm using Beyond patties for today, but you can use Impossible or any other kind of plant-based burger patty that you like. Now we're just gonna make a quick burger sauce. Oh my gosh, look at this chopped cheese vegan. Let's try it. I have no words for how good that is. Oh my gosh. It's like a cheeseburger, but so much better. I love the grilled onions in there and how the burger got like all chopped up, so it's like evenly distributed with the onion flavor and the cheese, and that burger sauce really ties it together. You can put whatever toppings you like, but man, that lettuce and tomato with the sourdough bread. Oh my gosh, you should try this. It's actually so good. Okay. Big shout out to the Burger Dude for showing me how to make this sandwich, and you know, maybe it's not the authentic one, but it's a pretty dang good sandwich. Comment below if you want to see me recreate any other YouTuber recipes on the channel. I can try them out for you. Also, be sure to smash the like button if you love burgers like I do, and just chopped cheeseburger, super good. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, all that good stuff, and I'll see you next week. Bye.